This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you go over how to cook easy food. Cooking delicious meals doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. We'll explore simple techniques and fantastic recipes that will make your time in the kitchen enjoyable and stress-free. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for quick meal ideas, you'll find plenty of inspiration here to create tasty dishes with minimal effort. Let's get started on your culinary journey. To make cooking easy, having a few essential tools and ingredients on hand is key. You don't need a gourmet kitchen. A good knife, a cutting board, and a couple of versatile pans will do wonders. For your pantry, think about staples like pasta, rice, canned tomatoes, and some basic spices. These items form the foundation for countless quick and delicious meals, ensuring you're always ready to whip up something wonderful without a last-minute grocery run. Now for the fun part, quick meal ideas. We'll dive into recipes that are perfect for any time of day, from speedy breakfasts to satisfying dinners. Imagine whipping up a flavorful one-pan chicken and veggies or a hearty pasta dish in just 20 minutes. These types of meals minimize cleanup and maximize flavor. You'll learn how to adapt recipes to suit your preferences and what you already have, making every meal a personalized delight. To truly master easy cooking, remember these tips. Planning your meals a few days ahead can save you time and stress. Don't be afraid to experiment with different herbs and spices to discover new favorite flavors. Most importantly, have fun with it. Cooking should be an enjoyable and creative outlet. Share your delicious creations with friends and family, and savor the satisfaction of making wonderful food yourself. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.